In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify for dropshipping. Dropshipping, a model that allows you to sell products without holding any inventory, has revolutionized the e-commerce space, making it accessible for anyone to start an online store. And Shopify, with its user-friendly interface, is one of the best platforms to launch your dropshipping business. So, let's dive into how you can set up your Shopify store for dropshipping. First off, head over to Shopify's website. As you land on their homepage, you will see the option to log in. Click on that. You'll be directed to a page where you're required to enter your email address, fill it in and hit continue, then type in your password on the next page and click on log in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Shopify dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Your next step is to customize your store, and for that you need to navigate to the online store, which you can find in the sidebar on the left. Clicking on Online Store will unfold various customization options, but your first task is to select a theme that resonates with your brand. Shopify offers a range of free and paid themes. Browse through, pick one that you like and hit Customize. Your store's theme is crucial because it's the first thing your customers will notice. It represents your brand's aesthetic and values. Take your time tweaking it. Click on the Settings button in the Theme Customizer to adjust colors, fonts, and other elements to match your brand identity. Now let's add products to your store. Go back to the main dashboard and click on Products. Then select Add Product. Here you can fill in your product's title, description, price, and add high-quality images. Remember, detailed product descriptions and clear images can significantly improve your conversion rates. After adding your products, focus on setting up important pages for your store. Navigate to Online Store and click on Pages. You'll want to create a contact page at least, which gives your customers a way to reach you. Select the Contact page and fill in your preferred contact details. An essential part of setting up your store is configuring the payment options. To do this, go to Settings and click on Payments. Shopify supports various payment gateways. Choose one that suits your business model and follow the setup instructions. Next, you'll need to handle shipping and delivery settings, since dropshipping involves shipping products directly from your supplier to your customer. Click on Shipping and Delivery under the Settings menu and specify your shipping rates and zones. Shopify has made it extremely straightforward to configure these settings, ensuring a seamless checkout process for your customers. Another crucial step is setting up a domain for your store. A custom domain adds credibility to your online business. Head to Settings and click on Domains to purchase or connect an existing domain to Shopify. Finally, to run a successful dropshipping store, you'll need to choose a dropshipping app. Shopify offers various apps like Oberlo or Spocket that allow you to import products directly from suppliers into your Shopify store. Navigate to Shopify's App Store, search for a dropshipping app and install it. Follow the setup instructions to link your chosen app with your store, and there you go. You've now got the bones of your Shopify dropshipping store setup. Remember, the success of your dropshipping business doesn't solely rely on setting up your store. It's about how you market your products, relate to your customers, and manage your online presence. Make sure to keep researching and learning about dropshipping strategies, Shopify functionalities, and online marketing techniques to continuously grow your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you on your journey to becoming a successful dropshipper with Shopify. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on thriving in the e-commerce space.